BeatStars.com.
Better yet, I know lights, camera, action when I'm walking through the door. But who am I to judge? Is it even really close? Hold up in this blood, let these motherfuckers hide, kids. Nice silence, no more violence. Watch me cut the color from under your mother's iris. Oh my God, he is not Jack Harlow. Wait, this is what they said to a 7-8 Billie Eilish. Goddamn right, and fuck Popeye's priceless. Daddy to the bill, acting way too stylish. All these good luck come from DJ Hyman. Superman these hoes with the Queen City Heimlich. What the ever-loving fuck? Who gave him swing fire, suggested it through the butt? Screaming, I don't give a fuck, guys, damn me, Fuego nasty. Stroking baby Fuego when I'm rolling up a fatty. So you can blame the love, fire, smoke. The higher I go, the wiser I grow. Watch me fly, puff, puff, pass. Johnny by the blow, with it's fun go. And the loud I hold, the fuck gon' play this. Unapologetic, so brainless. You messing with a playboy, get a dad hat, bitch. Take this, prime time, get the highlight and hit straight, bitch. Now who the fuck gon' play this? Unapologetic, so brainless. You messing with a playboy, get a dad hat, bitch. Take this, prime time, get the highlight and hit straight. In this vessel I was blessed. I don't even need to say it, you can see it every step. Hit the beat and take a breath. Let these styles from my chest, shit, allow me to get the next. I just balance every motherfucking check. Hit the whole 30K and still a motherfucker flex. Uncle Sam took a dig, she's my motherfucking dad. That's flex you go, striking motherfucking left. Long like a paramedic, never on the anesthetic. Always with the effervescence, far away from home. Always get a lesson, I might hit it raw like a dog. You can get the message. Drum page like a plague on my ex's credit. Drink level petty, just some bitches in the bitter ready. When I launch, you be calling target active credit. Just to get the child support, sip on every penny. Ball heady, who the fuck gon' play this? Unapologetic, so brainless, shameless. Playboy in the dad hat, you should take this. Prime time, get the highlight and get saved. Who the fuck gon' play this? Unapologetic, so brainless, shameless. Playboy in the dad hat, you should take this. Prime time, get the highlight and get saved. Thinking you a real one, but you need to stop frontin', never getting deals done. Thinking we don't see the shit, but we got a lot on it. You been hustling a long time, what you got from it? Not a damn thing, not a dream, what a hoax, what a joke. Doing dope, talking shit and doing the most. So the cats we gotta go, so I ain't wasting no more time. I just wanna fucking smoke, live and let them know. Let them know your M-E-G-H-O-D flows. I don't know how you read those. B-A-N-D-I-C those. I got too much on my mind and I'm gonna play it in my face. In the take, I'm shaking like a steady pace. I just gotta make them pay, yeah, I gotta let them know. Who gotta let them know, man? I don't even know anymore. Who the fuck gon' play this? Unapologetic, so brainless, shameless, playboy, dad hat, take this. Prime time, holla like a hit say. From the brush my bras. Ironic, I smoke a blunt into the fog. Iconic, another legend breaking dawn. Staring in my prime, I'm rolling out like autobahns. I've been feeling like a man without a mission for a minute, but I really think I get it. I'm a menace with a vision. Vessel for define every motherfucking limit, yeah. 7 of mine, hit a midlife crisis. Tide's rising. At any moment I might die, so my mindset: eat good and smoke better or die trying. Nothing to it, no pro tools you might find. Too tough to fake hate and not trying. Always saying it's too late, you're done trying. Green grass and hot times without violence. At this rate, best fate is my silence. Stand with the bone, they fail to debate. Ready for the reprise, the watch around the wave. Every nothing to debate as I elevate the wave. I ain't one to sneak this a pump fake. Run fades for fun, babe, I must say. One claim for payday in 6 days. One play with replays and red flags. Eating fat ass, red grapes for 3 days. Big steps now, get 10 toes in. Never lose sight, keep the pen stroke lit. From the bottom I arise, sterilized by these pretty little lies. The evolution televised me. Speaking cemetery, seminaries, slicing like a mercenary. Look like this, I put out now for love the fucking mortuary. Stories like coming out of pulmonary. Beats I flow from where I come from. The line is relevant. Every single room ready to answer with the elephants. Everything consumed, got a feeling like he haven't said. It's been a little bit, let me shake up a little, right? Somebody come cut this rope. I'm hanging my thread out here. Here we go again. Better get away. Mercy, go miss about a mile. where it hurts. Hung my bread out. Hung my bread out. Hung my bread out. Hung my bread out. And he didn't say nothing but a warm gun. Put a bullet through my heart, I think it home run. Sentimental in a vision, full of detriment decisions. What a joke, no broke, can't stay afloat, run. I'm so done, way too caught up in these webs you've loved. All these voices in my head telling me to do better. Fuck up the plan to be a man, keep your head up. Somebody come cut this road. I'm hanging by a thread out here. Here we go again, I hit it where it hurts. You can miss it by a mile. We'll never get the point. Hit him where it hurts. I'm hung my thread out. Hung my thread out. Hung my thread out. Hung my thread out. Finally finished. We're trying to figure this out. All of these riddles, they got me fizzling out. And every fault that you pointed to, I'm breaking them down now. Wash away my pride, I've been pills just to calm down. Looking at the man in the mirror till I calm down. Living in the moment, but I never feel around. How am I to love you if I never hold a vow? Cut this road. I'm hanging my thread out here. Here we go again. Better hit it where it hurts. You gon' miss it by a mile, I fear. You won't ever get the point. Hit it where it hurts. Hung my thread out. Hung my thread out. Hung my thread out.
I just know I want to run it up.
You know, I want it all.
And I want it all, yeah.
I think you guys do too. I think you definitely want it all.
You know, if there's something else. Nah, man, it's really just I want it all, run it up. Fill up the bag, get enough. I want it all, run it up. Fill up the bag, get enough. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all, run it up. I'm bagging it up. Give me everything, everywhere, all at once. Sorry, doctor, maybe I'm just tweaking, but I don't see any reason why I can't have all of what I'm seeing right before my evil eyes. Ain't no way to compromise with the master of the skies. Living on Elm Street, somebody help me. Feel like I can't resist. How did I get this bad? How did I get these bags? You think this is gonna work, but everything you get bad. Hip hop pass. Something in me destroys. Something leave my Ouija board. Come on, hold them plug in pocket pussies. Get in here, record. So you can catch me in the wrong. Don't you think I know it? Don't you think I know it? I want it all, run it up, fill up the bag, get it up. From the brush like Bob Ross. Tiny flakes make snake my boss. Big Freddy Brand's looking boy with the sauce. Any type of hustle breaking jaws. Rapping $5 draws. 7-figure calls. Me and all my dogs coming up from hoodie stars. All my bitches the baddest on every motherfucking block. Maximista to the Louis Vuitton and Gucci socks. Raining back up on his bullshit. Big brand Don spitting Vince Bob no shit. Whoa shit. You ain't even know this. Naughty Randy blending fuego piston in the ocean. Said she wanted Prada, but I bought her as a Birkin. Anniversary dinner and sex tonight at Perkins. What's happening? What's up? Got that bitch perked up. Oh shit, mate. Not another fucking fuck up. Out of sight, out of mind. Piecing out the puzzle, ain't no telling what you find. God's told me life's a bitch until you die. Until you, that's why we get high. Out of sight, out of mind. Piecing out the puzzle, ain't no telling what you find. God's told me life's a bitch until you die. Until you, that's why we get high. Let's go. Mama was independent, so all my brothers masters. bastards. Legendary descendant, present day disaster. Kill the bastard, resurrect the bachelor. Stories never last for the Queen City Casper. Mama was independent, so all my brothers bastards. Legendary descendant, present day disaster. Kill the bastard, resurrect the bachelor. Stories never last for the Queen City Casper. Living back on the drive, mama used to whistle when the clock hit dinner time. Cruising in at light speed, plotting down my enterprise. Living for my dreams, $1 to incentivize. Any motivation from this backpack kid. His lunch was still wrapped with his snack pack gift. Always thought he might snap, but not quite like this. Getting jiggy when his raps would be snapped like this. I've been staring through the bottom of a bottle almost every fucking night. Wallowing in sour till I swallow every bite. Instead of living in the moment, I'm wasting all my time to my 5-year plan. One long night, couldn't give a damn about the money or the highlights. Just a house on the beach, sipping Mai Tais. Mama was independent, all my brothers bastards. Legendary descendant, present day disaster. Bastard, resurrect the bachelor. Stories never last for the Queen City Casper. Mama was independent, so all my brothers bastards. Legendary descendant, present day disaster. Kill the bastard, resurrect the bachelor. Stories never last for the Queen City Casper. Go ahead. Look in my eyes, feel the skin on my disguise. I've been bouncing off the walls, bouncing off the walls today. And by design, suicide is on my mind today. Bouncing off the walls, bouncing off the walls again. I feel the rush, I'm ramping up, I hope it never gets me. Bouncing off the walls, got me bouncing off the walls again. I feel the rush, I'm ready to get bouncing off the walls, I'm bouncing off the walls, yeah. Paranoia poster child, never wanna hold me down. Vicious with the cycle, empty bottles keep me coming down. Mama told me love a nigga, problem is the hoeing out. Ready, flowing, stroking, I've been holding like the golden child. Look at the mess you make. Don't you ever feel pain? Don't you ever feel shame? Pops is getting mad and mama's getting fed up. When the fuck you gonna pull that shit together, young blood? I'm bouncing off the walls, bouncing off the walls. I'm pissed as fuck every time that I record, cause I'm bouncing off these walls and they never hear a fucking thing. Motherfucker, now I'm on. Look in my eyes, feel the skin on my disguise. I've been bouncing off the walls, got me bouncing off the walls again. And by design, suicide is on my mind again. Bouncing off the walls, got me bouncing off the walls again. I feel the rush, I'm ramped up and I'm ready to get bouncing off the walls, I'm bouncing off the walls. I know you hear me and you feel it, cause I'm ready to go. Bouncing off the walls, got me bouncing off the walls, yeah. Voices in my head, monsters on the bed. Paranoia poster child, rip himself to shreds. Promises he couldn't keep coming back to hunt him down. Really flowing, stroking, I've been holding like a golden child. Look at the mess you made. Don't you ever feel pain? Don't you ever feel shame? Pops is getting mad and everybody's fed up. When the fuck you gonna get that shit together, young blood? I'm bouncing off the walls, bouncing off these walls. I never gave a fucking eye. Motherfucker, I'm bouncing off the walls, I'm bouncing off the walls again. These motherfuckers never letting me go off. Look in my eyes, feel the skin on my disguise. I've been bouncing off the walls, got me bouncing off the walls again. And by design, homicide is on my mind today. I'm bouncing off the walls, got me bouncing off the walls again. I felt the rush, I'm ramped up and I'm ready to get bouncing off the walls, I'm bouncing off the walls again. I ain't a killer, but don't push me, I'm a step away from bouncing off the walls, bitch, I'm bouncing off the walls, yeah. Thank you.
That's down pills, popping bottles every week. Fucking models in my dreams till the blunt takes me away. Cold down nonsense, problematic kid.
Coke down nonsense, problematic kid. Thought he had it big when mom and papa made a crib. Got a little claustrophobic, all the homes closed in. Wall to wall, door again, took me smarter in the head. The scene changed, everything is different now. Different dimension, tweaking everything you see around. Put my feet beneath the covers, I can see the demons peeking down. Feeding for a reason to bring me and keep me deep down. Deep down, deep down. Wanna pay you love it, they shut me deep down. Deep down, deep down, deep. And when it fucking running 6 feet, pressed down pills, popping bottles every week. Fucking models of my dreams till the blunt takes me away, away. Coke down nonsense, problematic kid.
Hoping I don't break it. I make sure the clock's looking fresh. My constant indecision with precision. Hassle. Thought I had to hit rock bottom before the tassel. Promise pops I get back on it when I can handle it. But I don't see that day come. All I see is mantles. Record after record set beside a turn of hands. And even if the Grammys and Platinums don't go to Randall, I know when it's done, it's worth the gamble.
Pressed down pills, popping bottles every week. Fucking models in my dreams.
Takes me away.
Coke down nonsense, problematic.